Welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to export your shopping data on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. If you care about your privacy or just want to see what data Snapchat stores about your activity, this is something you definitely shouldn't skip. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page where all your account settings are accessible. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. This is where Snapchat keeps all the important controls for your account. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Actions. It might take a second, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Under Account Actions, tap on My Data. This is the section where Snapchat allows you to request and download the data connected to your account. Once you're inside, look for the option related to shopping data. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn that toggle on so Snapchat includes your shopping activity in the data export.